Though we do have a broad definition of AI, it doesn't really stop there. AI, due to its immense applicability in almost every single industry, is something that goes very deep and has many branches. Let's look at a few types of AI. Knowing these would help you in gauging the type of AI required for your business, as well as the possibilities that exist in the future. Now, before jumping to the types of artificial intelligence, it is vital to understand how artificial intelligence has been classified. The two crucial factors based on which the various types of AI are categorized are technology and functionality. So, the classification will take into consideration how the system functions and what technology a system utilizes to perform them. Let's briefly go through all of them, starting with technology. Based on the tech used, AI is divided into three types. First is Artificial Narrow Intelligence, or ANI. ANI, also called weak AI, focuses on one narrow task and cannot perform beyond its limitations. ANI is the most commonly applied type of AI in the current era. Presently, everything in AI, right from the core developments to the sophisticated algorithms used for decision-making by machines, can be categorized under this type of artificial intelligence. For example, let's say an image recognition software. It obviously uses AI, but is pretty useless for anything beyond image recognition. Then we have AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. AGI, also known as strong AI, can understand and learn any intellectual task that a human being can. It allows a machine to apply knowledge and skills in different contexts. AI researchers have not been able to achieve strong AI so far. Even with the most advanced computing systems and infrastructures, such as Fujitsu's K or IBM's Watson, it has taken them 40 minutes to simulate a single second of neuronal activity. This speaks to both the immense complexity and interconnectedness of the human brain and to the magnitude of the challenge of building an AGI with our current resources. Finally, we have Artificial Superintelligence. Super AI surpasses human intelligence and can perform any task better than a human. The concept of artificial superintelligence sees AI evolve to be so akin to human sentiments and experiences that it doesn't merely understand them. It also evokes emotions, needs, beliefs, and desires of its own. Its existence is still hypothetical. Some of the critical characteristics of super AI include thinking, solving puzzles, making judgments, and decisions on its own. Now that we've covered the types of AI based on tech, let's see how to categorize it based on functionality. First, we have reactive machines. A reactive machine is AI in its most basic form. This type of AI operates solely on current information and does not retain memories or draw upon previous experiences to inform future decisions. It functions by observing its surroundings and responding accordingly, performing only the tasks for which it has been specifically programmed. A reactive machine does not possess any capabilities beyond whatever it has been assigned. The reactive machine Deep Blue, created by IBM, was responsible for defeating chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov. It operates by recognizing the pieces on the chessboard and responding accordingly. Deep Blue cannot refer to any of its prior experiences or improve with practice. Next, limited memory system. A limited memory AI system was among the first types of AI that could learn through its experiences. Limited memory AI systems combine the abilities to react to and learn from previous data. Now, the learning process leads to technical prowess to make intelligent decisions. The present-day AI systems are trained to react and learn. An example of such a system would be fingerprint scanning machines that many of you would encounter on your way to work. It restricts entry to only authorized people on their premises. The machine analyzes the features of a fingerprint, based on the stored data and reacts immediately. If the fingerprint matches a previously loaded image, the device opens the lock to let the person enter. Then we have theory of mind. It is interesting to note that while the last two types of AI are still functional, the next two are in their research and development phases. The theory of AI level system proposes to understand the wide-ranging entities they deal with. Importantly, this understanding would include the emotions, belief systems, and thinking patterns too. Sophia from Hanson Robotics is an example where the theory of mind AI was implemented. Cameras present in Sophia's eyes, combined with computer algorithms, allow her to see. She can sustain eye contact, recognize individuals, and follow faces. And finally, we have self-aware AI. Self-aware systems are among the lesser-known types of AI that presently exist mainly as a theoretical idea. Such systems understand their internal traits, states, and conditions and perceive human emotions. These machines will be smarter than the human mind. This type of AI will not only be able to understand and evoke emotions in those it interacts with, but also have emotions, needs, and beliefs of its own.